welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 3.3, estimating products. So what we're looking at in this is estimating. So similar to when we were estimating with adding and subtracting, estimating with products is we're going to take and round our answer or round our numbers or use compatible numbers to take and find approximations of our products. So how can you estimate products? A store needs to take in at least $15,000 in sales per month to make a profit. If the store is open every day in March and it takes in an average of $525 per day, will the store make a profit in March? So, in thinking about this, March has how many days? 31 days in March, and we multiply that and the $525 per day. Well, 525 times 31 isn't necessarily the easiest thing to do. So we can use rounding to estimate. So we can round the $525 down to 500. And the 31 we can round down to 30. So now we're multiplying 30 times 500. Well, just like with our mental math now, 3 times 5 is 15. And how many zeros do we have? We've got 1 here and 2 here. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we get $15,000, which is how much they needed, according to this, to make a profit each month. So they are making the appropriate amount. Now, we're estimating with this. So we need to think about it. What do we do with each of our values? We rounded them down. So this is a lower estimate. So we know that they're making more than this $15,000 because this is an under estimate because we brought our numbers down. All right, we can also use compatible numbers to estimate. So estimate 24 times 39. Well, 24 times 39 isn't the easiest, but 25 times 40, that's a little easier because 25 times 4, remember, quarters and a dollar, that gets us 100, plus we had 1 0 here, so add another 0, so we have 1,000. Now with each of these, we rounded our numbers up, or we bumped them up for our multiplying, so this is an overestimate. Overestimate. All right, estimate by using rounding. Tell if your estimate is an overestimate or underestimate. So 58, we can round that up to 60 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36 plus our 1 0, 360. So is this an overestimate or an underestimate? Well, we went from 58 up to 60, so we made it larger. So this is an overestimate. All right, the next one, we have 733 times 21. We can make this 700 times 20. 7 times 2 is 14. And then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we end up with 14,000. Now, what do we do with each of these values? We brought them down. So that means this is an underestimate. Underestimate. All right, now using compatible numbers, we're going to multiply. So we've got 43 times 27 times 4. So we've got this times 4, and 27 is really close to 25. So we can make this 25 times 4 times, we can leave this 43. So 25 times 4 we know is 100. So 43 times 100, 43 times 1 is just 43, and then we tack on the 2 zeros. All right, here we have 38 and 69. We can take this to 40 times 70. 4 times 7 is 28, and we have 2 zeros, so 2 zeros. So 2,800. Now this one, we took both numbers up, so this would be an overestimate. In this one, we actually dropped our value down, so this is an underestimate. So what you're looking at here are estimates. So we're not finding the exact answers, we are estimating these. So you're either going to round your two factors or you're going to take and use compatible numbers, and then you'll multiply them together and state whether it's an over or underestimate when it asks for that. Your keyword for this lesson is estimate. 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 If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day, guys.